Hi cuties, how are you? Welcome on my channel. Today I want to try the mascara by Rare Beauty. So I tried this product after everybody. I'm gonna apply this mascara on my eyes. Because on this product they say this mascara make more volume, and I want to try if that's right. Look. Wow, I love it. Whoa! Wow! So I need my mirror to see. So I'm gonna apply this mascara on my eye. It's a little bit cringe, no? Or creepy. Oh, there's only one application on this eye, and here nothing. So yeah, I think that's a good product. This mascara make my eyelashes more longer. And yeah, for the moment that's it. That's only what I see. Oh, that's not Rick?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
It is what it is.
So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see the other video. See you on the next video. Bye bye.